Hello. In this Forge 1.20.1 modpack development video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform class and a couple of its useful methods. If you find this sort of content informative, please give it a like, comment with any questions or future video ideas, and subscribe to the channel to never miss a future upload. In addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. I will be getting into more information about their services later in the video. But for now, let's get started. So the platform class is a very underused API from the mod. There's plenty of great utilities there. So first, we're going to use the platform class to get a full list of loaded mods. So how we do it is console.log, and then we're going to do platform.getList. Next, you can also get and log the specified whatever Minecraft version you're on. So in this case, since we're doing 1.20.1, it should say 1.20.1. We do that with console.log platform.get Minecraft version string. Next, we can see we can also use conditional logic. So we can check to see if a particular mod is in your mod pack. So we can do this. We can do this with if platform dot is loaded, and then inside there you pass in the mod ID. So let's do create for this example, and then we can do console.log create mod installed, and then we can use an else statement to do console.log create mod not installed. In addition, you can also check to see what mod loader you are using. So you can check to see if the game's going to run on Forge or Fabric. You can do this with another if conditional statement. You do if platform.is Forge. So that's going to return either true or false. We can say console.log running on Forge/NeoForge. Otherwise, well, we can do else if platform dot is fabric. We can log that as well. So fabric/quilt. And then I always like to do a default statement with if statements. You don't have to, but I recommend it. So these were 4 uses for the platform class. Well, actually 5 uses for the platform class. Before we end this video, I would like to give a shout out to my server hosting provider, BisectHosting. They offer fantastic Minecraft server hosting for over 100 other top online games in addition to Minecraft. In regards to Minecraft, you can get pre-install 2,300 mod packs automatically. So basically, any relevant mod pack is probably there. They offer 24/7, 365 customer support that can help troubleshoot your server and mods. You can also host your server from across 20 locations around the world, and they offer advanced DDoS protection as well. Please check out my affiliate link in the description below. That'll bring you to this website that I got the screenshot from, and there's plenty of information there that can help inform a possible purchase that aligns with your needs and budget. So again, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. In summary, the platform class can be used to get a list of mods, get the particular Minecraft version you're on, check to see if a particular mod is installed, and also to check to see what mod loader you're using. So if you have any questions about this topic, please feel free to comment. In addition, I'm always looking for future video ideas, so feel free to comment that as well. Please subscribe to the channel with notifications on to make sure you never miss a future upload. And again, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. Otherwise, thank you for your time watching this video, and have a great day.